Okay. Next room. Next room. Dito po ang nangyayari ang ang karaoke. Yeah, this is where the karaoke and comedian shows. They used to have a casino here, remember? Yeah, the slot machines there. Oh, this one, look. Yeah, we can sit here. We can sit here. Cozy.
Yeah, let's see here.
Pwede ba?
Yeah, you can rest here. Oh yeah, there's a bowling alley here.
May bayad yan.
Where's the bowling alley?
Here. There. Still closed.
Is that cost to play?
Yes. Look at that. They have a bowling alley.
Kung bowling alley.
This is the entrance. Not yet, it's still closed. But there's only 2 lanes.
Wow, bowling alley.
Only 2 lanes. Then you can borrow rubber shoes. As long as you wear socks. Ikot ayaw ka. You can sit there. We'll go around.
Good afternoon. Hi. How are you? Good, how are you? Awesome.
Hi. Good afternoon. Ayan. Dito ang iniba na nila. Dati to eh, malaki to eh. May mga cabin pa nga eh. Iniba nila. So malamang dito yung karaoke area. Ayan, mas talibaan sila. Ang ganda ng Then meron din doon para sa private.
Bowling din yun.
Bowling alley din. Yep. Okay, so there's 4 lanes. Pero mas mahaba to. Pero lang. Ayan. Ayan po ang itsura kita. Tapos meron na power up na lalap. May ano dyan. Light shows. Ayan, nag-practice ito.
Most of the activities that are here, you need to have it here.
Ang bata pa. Ayan, ano yung tiran. Tayong papahinga natin sa gilid. Dito lang tatago yung mga taong laging pati. Diba? Chill lang. Ayan, nakahanap yung ayan na po. Itong small room. Yan ang to, opposite.